Electric lawnmower.
Alright, so not only is this my first lawnmower ever, it's also my first electric lawnmower experience. Pretty excited to bust this out of the box here. Excited to go with this one because I really don't enjoy the whole like going to get gas and having to change the oil and stuff. So, you know, I figured the conveniency would make it worth it for me. And also, you know, I have a lot of experience with electric skateboards. None with electric lawnmowers, but just from what I know from the electric skateboards, it's pretty awesome. So I figured, why not? Let's give this electric lawnmower a chance. If you've been curious on whether or not electric lawnmowers are good, you know, this is gonna be a good video for you to watch. So definitely stay tuned. We're gonna bust this open and thank you, Hart.
All power, easy start, quiet operation, hassle-free, baby. Alright guys, and just so you're aware, I'm going to be listing this lawnmower on friendwitha.com. So if you're in need of a lawnmower, make sure you click that link and you can rent it out for any of the available dates. Enjoy. Alright, let's get it open. Kepper, use slash attack to open the box. Now! Good! Our 40-volt battery. Kepper, slash attack. Capri, here. Capri, slash attack. Right here, buddy. Slash attack. Slash attack. Come on, do it. You're embarrassing me. Slash attack, come on. Capri. Hey. All right. That's what the battery looks like.
All right, so we got it all plugged up. This just goes on here like this. Boom. We're in business.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this powered up for the first time ever. Got the battery here. So this is just gonna slide in with that little bit of plastic there. Okay. Adjuster right here for the height of the grass that you're trying to get. I'm gonna leave it on the lowest one. To the instructions here, all you gotta do is pull this back, start button, then, oh, this is also a self-driving lawnmower, so you can adjust the speed here. Honestly, I probably won't be using this because I'm gonna do it with the one wheel instead. But yeah, it does drive itself, which is pretty cool. All right, so one. That's the key. Oh, this is... Whoa. That's sick, bro.
So my first impressions are that it works exactly the same as a normal lawnmower.
All right, so honestly, the lawnmower works awesomely. So if you're looking for a lawnmower or you're trying to get your dad something for Christmas, I'm gonna go ahead and add the link so you can just buy it off of Amazon. So go ahead and check it out below. And don't forget, I'm gonna go ahead and rent it out on friendwitha.com. So if you need it, go check it out and it's yours.